Motivation doesn't disappear because you're lazy. It disappears because your brain was never designed to rely on motivation in the first place. Most people believe motivation is something you either have or don't have, something you wake up with or lose. But psychology shows something very different. The problem isn't that motivation leaves, the problem is that we expect it to stay. In this video, I'll explain the psychological reasons motivation fades, why it feels random and unreliable, and what actually works when motivation disappears. Once you understand this, motivation stops feeling like a mystery and starts feeling predictable. Motivation is an emotion, not a skill, and like all emotions, it's temporary. Think about how motivation usually shows up. It often appears when you watch something inspiring, read a powerful quote, or imagine a better version of your future. In those moments, the brain is reacting emotionally, not practically. But emotions are short-lived. They're designed to respond to ideas, not to sustain effort. That's why motivation feels strongest when you plan something. Planning is safe. Planning costs nothing. The moment action is required, the emotional boost fades, and the brain shifts from imagination to calculation. That emotional spark doesn't disappear randomly. It fades the moment effort becomes real. And once effort is required, the brain turns its attention to something else entirely: energy. Your brain's primary job isn't happiness or success. Its main job is survival. And survival means conserving energy. Anything new, unfamiliar, or uncertain feels expensive to the brain, even if it's good for you. Starting a workout, learning a new skill, or changing a routine creates uncertainty, and uncertainty triggers resistance. That resistance isn't failure, it's protection. The brain pushes back not because the task is bad, but because it hasn't been automated yet. Most people interpret this resistance as lack of motivation, when it's actually the brain doing exactly what it evolved to do. When the brain senses uncertainty, it resists, not to stop you, but to slow you down. And the fastest way to reduce that resistance isn't more motivation, it's clarity. Motivation drops fastest when the brain doesn't see clear steps. Vague goals like be productive or get in shape sound inspiring, but they give the brain no direction. Without clarity, the brain has to guess, and guessing requires effort. Clear actions reduce mental friction. This is why checklists feel calming. This is why routines feel easier than decisions. When the brain knows exactly what to do next, resistance drops. Your brain prefers certainty over inspiration. Clarity always outperforms motivation. Clarity makes action easier, but repeating clear actions is what changes everything. Because once an action stops feeling new, the brain stops questioning it, and that's where habits take over. Habits require far less energy than decisions. Once a behavior becomes automatic, the brain no longer needs motivation to perform it. This is why disciplined people don't rely on motivation. They rely on systems. From the outside, it looks like willpower. From the inside, it's repetition without decision making. The goal isn't to stay motivated. The goal is to reduce how often motivation is needed. Habits turn effort into default behavior. Habits remove the need to decide. But progress is what teaches the brain to continue. And even the smallest progress can change how effort feels. Progress creates motivation, not the other way around. When you complete even a small task, your brain releases dopamine. Dopamine doesn't create happiness, it creates repetition. That's why small wins matter more than big goals. They tell the brain, this works. Over time, this creates momentum. And that momentum is what people describe as being motivated. Motivation isn't a starting point, it's a byproduct of progress. This is why motivation often appears after you start, not before. Once you notice that pattern, your relationship with effort begins to change. Motivation isn't something you wait for. It's something that appears after movement begins. And that realization changes everything. Because it means the problem was never you. It was never a lack of discipline or willpower or character. You are waiting for a feeling that was never designed to arrive first. When motivation disappears, most people stop. They assume something is wrong. They assume they've failed. But in reality, the brain is simply asking for proof. Proof that the effort is worth continuing. And that proof only comes from action. Even small movement matters. One task, one step, one decision completed. Those moments tell the brain that progress is possible. And once the brain sees progress, resistance softens. You don't need to feel ready. You don't need to feel inspired. You just need to move first and let the brain catch up. In the next video, I'll explain why procrastination isn't laziness and what your brain is actually doing instead. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful rest of your day.